Alright, Colin here, and this is Shine Automotive. What we've got coming in today, and we thought we'd share it with you, maybe save yourself some money. We've got an Insignia with a common fault, and it's saying water in the diesel, and it's actually not. It's a diesel filter housing. So I'll put a link down below where you can get a diesel filter housing from. We'll pull it in the garage now, and we'll do a quick step-by-step through of changing it to get rid of that fault. So let's crack on, and hope you're all staying safe. So to access the diesel filter on the Insignia, or the Insignium, however you want to call it, you've got to lift it up in the air and get to it underneath. So we got a full new housing. I'll put the link down below where you can get it from. There's plenty of second-hand ones about, but you're better off spending a bit of extra money and buying a brand new one. How many pipes are to come off? Two. Come with a filter in it?
Yeah.
So you can see, which is hard to see, you've got the fuel pipes, two fuel pipes at the top there, and you've got the electric plug for it as well. So that's it, swapped out and changed, and that should eliminate the fault straight away. Right, and that's the light out straight away. Just running it up now. Right, well that's fixed. It was easy as that. So I hope that's helped you out, and you can do it yourself really. Save yourself some money. So yeah, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, have a beautiful time and stay safe.